Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Heroku login issues, CLI and account errors step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Heroku CLI installed on your device. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type the command Heroku login and press enter. If you encounter an error stating that the login failed, check your internet connection. Ensure you are not behind a firewall that may be blocking the CLI's connection. If the login prompt doesn't appear, try reinstalling the Heroku CLI. You can download the latest version from the official Heroku website. After reinstalling, repeat the command Heroku login. If you still face issues, verify your Heroku account credentials. Double-check your email and password for typos or mistakes. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link on the Heroku login page. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Once you reset your password, return to your terminal and attempt to log in again. If you receive an error related to account permissions, ensure your account is active. Log into the Heroku dashboard to verify your account status. If you notice any restrictions or issues, reach out to Heroku support for assistance. For users with two-factor authentication enabled, ensure the authentication code is entered correctly during login. If problems persist even after entering the correct code, try generating a new recovery code. Lastly, if you have multiple Heroku accounts, confirm that you are logged. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Heroku login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.